Padayaw National High School. Festival Queen number 2. Jamela Rose Carillon. She is only 15 years young, representing Little Flower School Incorporated Performing Arts. She is now a grade 10 student and the daughter of Gypsy Carillon. Coordinator, Josepha Saison. Designer, BJ Menguito. Maquillage by Alexandra Baro. Once again, Miss Jamela Rose Carillon, representing Little Flower School Incorporated Performing Arts of Little Flower School Incorporated. Festival Queen number 3. Isa Angelme Lada. She is 16 years young, representing Sigla Bitoon Cultural and Performing Group. She is now a grade 11 student and the daughter of Mrs. Marichelle Lada. Coordinator, Charlie May Aninon. Designer and maquillage by Harvey Christian Baligwa. Once again, Miss Aisha Angelme Lada, representing Sigla Bitoon Cultural and Performing Group of Bitoon National Vocational High School. Festival Queen number 4. Jerain Sala. Jerain is only 16 years old, representing Pundo sa Madasigong Hipolitonians. She is now a grade 11 student and the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roberto and Estelita Sala. Coordinator, Roel Mahusay. Designer, Maximar Castillo. Maquillage by Vince Joey Fernandez. Once again, Mr. Rain Sala, representing Pundok sa Madasigong Hipolitonians of Hipolito Bukikosa Memorial National High School. Festival Queen number 5. Queenie Oliva. This beautiful girl is only 16 years young, representing Maabi-Abihong Causa sa Pugon National High School. She is now a grade 12 student and the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Matias and Eileen Oliva. Coordinators, Shirley Rose Aninon and Kyler Garna. Designer, Brianna Alexis Gomez. Maquillage by Shandon Marie Gonzalez. Once again, Miss Queenie Oliva, representing Maabi-Abihong Causa sa Pugon National High School. Festival Queen number 6. Lovely and Vivar Adem. Lovely is only 16 years young, representing Banay sa Nagkaniusa ug Makugihang Bulacano. She is now a grade 12 student and the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jose Jerome and Grace Iden. Coordinator, Joanne Galardino. Designer, Harvey Christian Baligwat Rivera. Maquillage by Jenner Villa Caballero. Once again, Miss Lovely and Vivar Item, representing Banay sa Naghiusa o Makugihang Bulacanon of Bulak National High School. old, representing Pundok Bulawanon sa Dumanhog National High School. She is now a grade 11 student and the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Allen Castro and Sheila Rose Tahuna. Coordinator, Althea Perpetua Pormonia. Designer, Raymond Manaba. Maquillage by Val Mendoza. Once again, Ms. Jane Castro representing Pundok Bulawanon sa Dumanhog National High School. There you have them, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates showcasing their solo performances. And now,